Hi guys, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. And today we are making what?
Crispy tofu.
So I have with me
Ava
and
Stephanie.
okay, so Stephanie asked me to make crispy tofu and they wanted to do it on camera, but I think I'm going to turn it into a crispy tofu salad towards the end. So let's get started. We have our pan here that's heated, right? Okay, Steph, give me a little bit of oil, about 1 teaspoon. I'll tell you what 1 teaspoon is like. Go. Oh, that's just a little bit. That's about right. Good job. 1 teaspoon. And I'm using avocado oil, but you can use any oil that you have in your pantry, okay? Don't like go crazy trying to find the right oil. All right, so Steph, Ava, next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna put this to the side so it can heat up. So the first thing that we're gonna do with our tofu is, and as you may see, I already cut it up, and you could cut it as small or as big as you want to. So I'm gonna lay them down, Stephanie, just like this. All right. So you guys wash your hands, right?
Yes.
Okay. And this is just so make sure that the kids' hands are cleaned. Their hands are. And I'm just laying them down so everything could be seasoned evenly, right? Ava has new overalls and she wants to know if you guys like them. Not that you can see them anyway, right? Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna get our seasoning, our spices, right? And here I have garlic powder, onion powder, adobo, and I also have...
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yes.
What's adobo?
It's a seasoning, spices. So it's garlic powder, onion powder, and adobo, and whatever spices you want to add to it is perfectly fine as well. So, okay? So here's the arrowroot powder, and first we're going to add our spices to this, correct, Steph? Alright, so we're going to use our hands because they are clean. We washed them. Make sure that, once again, your hands are clean when you're doing these things, okay? The spices on here. And I just want you guys to know that my little Stephanie, raise your hands. She has a YouTube channel. What is it called, Steph?
Honey Bear 23.
And what do you do on your YouTube channel?
I make gacha life music videos.
You make music videos?
Like gacha life music videos.
Okay, it's a gaming channel, so if you have any kids or if that's interested in gaming, please check out Honey Bear 23. She does gacha games and a bunch of other stuff. And once again, like I said, if you have kids that's interested in gaming, she does a bunch of gaming and it's a lot of fun. Gacha. And what else do you do, Steph?
I did Roblox.
And Roblox, yes. And you like doing that? So to give it the crunch, what we're going to do right now is add our arrowroot powder inside of here. And then from that, we will add it just like that.
Can I have one?
Okay. Yeah, you guys can do it. And then you dust it off. Okay. And this, once again, this is going to give it the crunch. Okay. Huh? Yeah. All right. So that's the one. We're going to continue to do all of these. Go ahead. Oh, not so much. All right. Okay, guys. So we cleaned up a bit. And now we have our pan that was heated. So be very careful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my thumb. No. Alright. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to put it inside this pan that's heated.
Can I do one?
Sure.
Yeah. I'm going to grab it very lightly.
There you go. Grab it.
Wait.
Alright, there you go. Grab it. Now put it in here. Put it right here. Alright guys, so we're gonna cook this 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Yeah, so we're just gonna cover it up and let it cook.
How did this turn into this?
Alright guys, so we are back. It's been 7 minutes later. Ava decided that she wanted to change her outfit because she wanted to show you the different ways that you can wear your overalls. And this is her winter look. Okay.
That was my summer look. That was my summer look.
Before that was her summer look. Okay, and guys, once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. Great recipes, and I have these fun kids with me today. Stephanie has a YouTube channel called Honey Bear 23.
Honey Bear 23.
Where she plays video games and
does Gatcha Life music videos.
Gatcha Life music videos and Roblox as well. So if your kids are interested or if you're interested, you can watch her and subscribe to her channel. It's up to you. Alright, so it's been 7 minutes and now we're going to flip these things. Yeah. We're going to flip them. Ooh, they look so crispy. If you want it even crispier, you can put it in the oven for another 10 minutes and finish it there. But anyway, guys, so it's been about how long? 7 minutes? So let's see. And we did 7 minutes on each side.
Ooh, that's like crispy board.
All right. Woo, this looks so good. So we're done. And they're going to be, to extra crisp them up, guys, you could put them in the oven. So let's just get these tofu in the plate. All right. So we are plating out these tofu. If there's something that you want to see us make together in another video, please let me know and we will definitely go ahead and do it. Me, I will be having it with some veggies and the crispy tofu. This is what it looks like, and should we give it a try? You could sprinkle some salt over it too. We didn't do that. Here, let me sprinkle a little bit of salt over it.
Do a little bit of salt on
A little bit of salt on
I
yours.
love salt.
Yeah.
But
It's very hard. It's very hot. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. Our crispy tofu, showing you a simple and easy way to make it. If you want to even crisp it up more, you can put it in the oven for another 10 minutes and then that's going to be it. Right?
I know
You
it's
still
hot,
blowing
so-
it?
Yeah.
Now say it with me, Ava. Stay
Stay
healthy. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.